hope the video has started.
जोर से
Good morning, children. I hope the video has started. And today I am again dealing with the chapter. This is the chapter for class 12. The chapter is the last lesson.
मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं।
Introductory session has been given where a boy called Friends, who is also the hero of the hero as well as a student, and not done the homework. Not done the homework. So he has not done the homework. Yes. And he has decided to go to school because otherwise parents will scold. Because homework has not been done, teacher will scold. The boy does not want to go to school. But from his home, he moves to the school. This is the school. When he was going from the home to the school, he sees birds. The sun was shining. And there were soldiers drilling. And the soldiers were drilling. That means they were doing whatever exercises they were doing together. And so, listen. So, this was still the last thing. Now, this is all about Friends' first paragraph. This is all about the first paragraph. Okay? That the boy had not done the homework. He was in fear of scolding. Still, he goes to the school because otherwise there was a fear of parents scolding. Then on the way he saw these things, and these things were tempting. And I told you in previous video that tempting is the negative word of it is called negative encouragement. Okay. This is called negative encouragement. So this still he continues to the school. So this is the end of the first paragraph. Now I will start about the second paragraph. Now on the way he finds the mayor's office. He finds a building that is called mayor's office. Mayor is what? Collector. Mayor is equal to collector. And there was a notice board. And this notice board is also called the bulletin board. And there was a crowd. Crowd means many people. Now what were the people doing? They were reading. They were reading the news. Now because there was a war, it was related to war. Now since the time the war started, all the news came from this board. And people used to read the news daily. Okay. So, but the boy was in a hurry. Boy wanted to go to school, so he did not stop near the notice board. He did not read the notice board. Clear? Now the question is, why this notice board was important, and why did the boy not stop near the notice board? So this is in the paragraph. Now when the boy was going, one boy commented, "Boy, you will reach." That there was a sarcastic comment because he knew that something was on the board which was related to school, Still, he passed a sarcastic comment that you need not hurry to the school, you will reach in time. Okay? So now this thing is over. The second paragraph is over. Now we move towards the third paragraph. We move towards the third paragraph. Now, third paragraph about school that day. About the scene at the school that day. यानी उस दिन क्या था? उस दिन पहले उसने बताया कि जो नॉर्मल डे पे जो होता है वो कुछ नहीं था. मतलब क्या नहीं था? There was no hustle bustle. Hustle bustle means noise. There was no noise. That means all was silent. Okay? No rapping of ruler. No rapping of ruler. Ruler means scale. No lessons repeated in unison. Unison means one voice. Uni means one voice. So in one voice मतलब जैसे बच्चे एक साथ बोलते हैं ना, दो एक कम दो, ऐसा. There was no unison. Okay, that day. This much is clear. Then a continuation is. You can read the whole thing again because you have the video. You can repeat it and see. आप इसको रिपीट करके देख सकते हैं, इसलिए मैं रिपीट नहीं करूँगी. फिर all were already in their place. Right? मतलब children were already in their place. Everybody was in class. Everybody was at the right place. Now, this boy, he was late, and so he had to ask permission. To enter the class. But surprising क्या, normally teacher scold करता, reprimand करता, like admonishing करता. ये सारे words हैं, reprimand, admonish, scold, ये सारे words हैं डांटने के लिए. तो उस दिन teacher did not scold. एक बात और थी, टीचर वॉज इन अ स्पेशल ड्रेस. टीचर का जो ड्रेस था वो स्पेशल ड्रेस था. और बैक बेंचेस जो थे उन पर, बैक बेंचेस पर, देवर बैक बेंचेस वर ऑक्यूपाइड बाय विलेजर्स. ये एक यूनिक फीचर है ना कि back benches were occupied by the villages. Now this much is clear to you. Now the question base will be what was so special about the class. You can write this much scoring. What was, there was no noise, there was no hustle bustle, no rapping of the ruler. This is called rapping of the ruler. So there was no rapping of the ruler, there was no scolding, everything was as quiet as Sunday. There was no commotion. Commotion means noise, chaos. So if it was there, he would get to the seat without being seen. If there was commotion, he would get to his seat without being seen. मतलब कोई देख नहीं पाता, वो अपनी सीट पर पहुंच जाता. He could have reached to his seat. He would have got to his seat without being seen. But उस दिन कमोशन था ही नहीं, तो डेफिनेटली ही वॉज सीन. सो ही वॉज सीन, तो ही हैड टू आस्क फॉर परमिशन. मैम सर से पूछा, मे आई कम इन सर. एंड द टीचर डिडंट स्कोल्ड, जबकि वो लेट था, बट द टीचर डिड नॉट स्कोल्ड. और उसके बाद उसने एक बात नोटिस की कि टीचर वॉज वेयरिंग हिज स्पेशल ड्रेस. द टीचर हैड ओनली वन स्पेशल ड्रेस. दैट मीन्स द कंडीशन ऑफ द टीचर वॉज नॉट वेरी गुड. And on the back benches, what special? That villagers were sitting. Okay, that villagers were sitting on the back benches. That was so special. And these back benches, and everybody was very sad. The total emotion is sad. All were sad. All were quiet. Okay. And now the questions. Now the questions based on this much portion is. Shall I write? I'm writing this. I am just on. I have completed the first, second page and the third page. I am half of third page. This is the whole I have taught is about the second and third page of the lesson. Now, what are the questions which come from this portion? First question is, what was so special about the class that day? And the question can be, what was so special about the teacher that. And third question is, this is question 1 for today, this is question 2 for today, and the question is 3. Why did friends wish for commotion? So simply, to get to his seat, to get to his seat without being seen. This I told you. So this is your homework also. This is your revision also. I just not told you what was so special about the class. I also told you what was special about the teacher, that the teacher did not scold and he was in his special dress. And why did he wish for commotion? Why did he want commotion? So the answer is to get to his seat without being seen. So today's portion is this. Further I will continue what the teacher tells them that day. And here I end up my lesson. Thank you very much.